Welcome to our discussion of climate change. Today we'll be discussing what climate change is and how possibly we can fix it. Contrary to popular belief, climate change and weather are not the same thing. Climate is long-term weather patterns of temperature and precipitation. Weather is short-lived local patterns that are determined in a short period of time. So while you can have rainy weather for a week or so, you can't have a rainy climate. Or at least it wouldn't make as much sense. Perhaps the biggest difference between weather and climate are in which the ways we predict them. Weather patterns are generally predicted in the span of 7 days, and both the highs and lows have a consistent pattern to them. Climate, on the other hand, is predicted over the span of several decades and does not have a high or low, and consistency has been shown to be rising. You may be wondering, what causes climate change? While there are several different causes, the biggest cause is the greenhouse effect, in which for all the solar energy we take in our atmosphere, not all of it leaves. So while we get, let's say, a number of 100% of solar energy, only a portion of it, about 75% or so, leaves. So that 25% stays within our atmosphere and builds up over an extended period of time. Now, the following gases retain the heat from the atmosphere. These are water vapor, nitrous oxide, methane, and carbon dioxide. And yes, we do need water to live, and we breathe out carbon dioxide. The bigger problem is the amount. There is an unhealthy amount of these gases in the air that are keeping the heat from escaping out of the atmosphere. Climate change affects many different things in our environment. This includes an increase in the following: global average temperatures, ocean and sea levels, and frequency of extreme events such as hurricanes, and also decreases the amount of ice that covers the planet. And you might be thinking to yourself, is there any way for us to completely stop climate change? No, but there are ways for us to help lessen it. Here's how we can help lessen climate change. Not driving everywhere or finding more energy efficient ways to get to where we need to go, like riding a bus or a bike, buying less products that tend to consume energy, using less energy with what we have now, planting more trees or plants to help lessen the carbon dioxide in the air, and other things. They may not help completely stop global warming, but every little bit helps for us to have a brighter future.